Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to teach you to make mac and cheese. The best mac and cheese you will ever have.
It's a breeze.
To start off, you're going to need about 2.5 cups of uncooked pasta. I prefer the cavatappi. Looks like that. And then you're going to need to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
Bechamel sauce. Here we got about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Very important. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. We want this to remain real light. We're going to keep it on medium-low. Let them get to know each other a little bit. Add this to our current blonde roux. We're going to add salt and pepper to taste. About enough to start. That's definitely enough to start. Incorporate. We're going to leave this to go about 2 minutes.
So from here, you're going to take 1.5 cups of milk, add that in, keep stirring while you do it. Then you're going to take 3/4 cup of half and half, add that in. Right, and then you're going to cook that until it gets a little thick. Once your mixture's been cooking for a little while and it's a little thick, you want to take it off the heat. Stir in about 1 cup of your cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar. Just stir that in until it's nice and creamy. You're going to pour about half of your pasta into the sauce, trying not to make an incredible mess. You're going to mix that up a little bit. And then you're going to pour the whole thing back into the big pot with the rest of the pasta. Mix that up real well. You have something that looks like that. It's pretty runny. Well, you're going to put it in the oven. It's going to thicken up real nice. Now, you're going to pour about half of your mixture into the bowl. Smooth that out a bit. You're going to take a handful of your cheese. Just going to sprinkle it on there. Pour the rest of your mixture in there. Trying to keep it even on top of the cheese you just sprinkled on. You're going to take even more cheese. Crazy. Sprinkle it on. You don't have to do this, but I like to top it with some Parmesan. Gives it a nice crust. You're going to cover it and put it in the oven. After about 20 minutes, your mac and cheese will be about done. You're going to take it out of the oven. You have a nice crust on top. There you go. Delicious.